we are ready to announce the 2019 Public Works Employee of the Year. So this person has been a dedicated, dependable, and safe employee with Athens Transit for 12 years. Willie Chapman, Transit Department, Public Works Employee of the Year. Willie, congratulations, young man.
Oh, I feel great, you know, I feel real great. I feel like my chest there poked out a little bit more. So I feel great. Maintenance service for Athens Transit, that was my title. 5 o'clock in the morning, that's where I had to be clock in the morning time. So I got to make sure the oil check, make sure the bus is clean, make sure the restroom clean, and make sure the bus is start up on time, and make sure that my customers, my driver, they certified before they leave out the yard.
Willie is a hard worker. I tell you, if there's a task that needs to be done, Willie never complains about the task. He gets right to it, and when he gets done, it looks like a brand new vehicle when he's done.
I'm the first one on the fleet in the morning time, and when somebody comes to me with a problem, I don't try to, back talk the situation. I try to see what we can do with my supervision, see what we can do to solve that problem.
Willie's attitude and work ethic keeps everybody upbeat, and just puts everybody in good spirits.
Laying in the bed, they don't get my bill paid. And so that, number one, helped motivate me. And, bill and playing a part of a manhood. And number two, when I get there, I'm noticing that my job need to be taken care of. As long as I dot my I's and cross my T's, hey, things run smooth.
Biggest impact Willie has had is he keeps the fleet looking like new, and that's pretty much all I can ask of him.
And I've been here 12 years, and I really enjoy being here. And I pray that I can see 12 more.